The Madison County superintendent, who made national headlines last week for using her insurance to get a sick student help, gets to keep her job, at least for now, because of a technicality. Tonight's Elwood school board meeting was packed, but as David MacAnally explains, not a single person spoke up to defend what she said or the laws that she broke.
The Elwood School Board could not vote on the superintendent's future Monday night, but residents said where they stand.
Seeing our school superintendent charged with 3 felonies.
The issue is deep and emotional. Superintendent Casey Smitherman charged with insurance and identity fraud. This month, she took a 15-year-old male student to a private clinic for treatment of possible strep. At the clinic, she allegedly claimed in paperwork the student was her son. Her supporters say that she just tried to help a kid with little support from home. But the school nurse told the board,
"You must be feeling embarrassed, helpless, betrayed. At least I hope so. But you know what? Suck it up."
Would you feel so forgiving if this situation had been a male superintendent and a female student?
Every newspaper I've read, she made a mistake. She made a mistake. No, she did not. She made an illegal choice.
The school nurse says Elwood Schools has a sophisticated state-of-the-art telemedicine system that's designed to handle cases exactly like the teens. So she wonders, what was the superintendent thinking?
What other poor, possibly illegal decisions is she making that we don't know about?
And for the first time, the 15-year-old's aunt told the board,
"None of this was necessary. None of this needed to happen. He was not, there's no hero that saved some dying child."
She says this all made the teen feel above the school's control now.
He thinks he can do whatever he wants now, and he thinks that he can get away with anything, and she's going to back him up and make sure he doesn't get into trouble.
The school board will now take up the issue at a special public meeting on Friday, February 1st. David MacAnally, Channel 13 Eyewitness News.